Have you ever wondered how your phone knows the weather or how a car finds its way?
ये सब possible है because of an amazing technology which we call ICT.
So what is it? Think of sensors as our senses, and ICT as the brain that understands it all.
Let's check out its first school application, digital experiments. ये science को super smart बनाती है.
It works like this. Sensors collect all the data, and the computer just records everything. Simple.
Socho, a computer is logging the temperature for a plant experiment. That's data logging for you.
Now let's take this tech out of the lab and apply it to our whole planet.
So will it rain tomorrow? Is the air clean? Well, ICT has all the answers.
Satellites and powerful sensors are basically our eyes in the sky, collecting important data for us.
With this, we forecast weather, check pollution, and even monitor the water levels in rivers. And now for its most common use, navigation systems. We use these almost every day. Basically, these systems tell our cars, ships, and even our planes exactly where to go. They guide us on land, at sea, in the air, and yep, even in outer space. From the GPS in your family car to a rover on Mars, ICT navigation is everywhere. So, to wrap it up, from tiny experiments to our travels, ICT helps us measure our world.
Here's a little challenge for you. What ICT measurement tool will you notice in your life today?